Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 1st, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Today I'm going to show you something interesting which I've seen mark many market tops. Now, we are in a seasonality trend into the Christmas holiday right now, so the markets ultimately should hold up well into the end of the year. If they do pull back, it would just be a pullback, but ultimately we do expect the markets to finish positive by December 31st. Today is December 1st, so we still have a whole month to go of trading. But one thing I am noticing, I am seeing massive moves in a lot of these micro cap stocks out there, and today was just another one that is kind of ridiculous. Today you take a look at Acorn International, ticker symbol ATV. The stock went from basically on a reverse split of $2 all the way up to over $20 on massive volume. And if you take a look here, what you're going to notice is the normal volume in this equity on an average day is sometimes less than 200 shares. Today the stock traded over 5 million shares, went above $20. Another stock that recently moved similar to this was a stock called KBIO, which is Calobios Pharmaceuticals. And you can see here the stock just in mid-November on the 18th was trading at $2 a share, went all the way up to $45 a share. When you start to see these kind of moves, it's the market's way of talking to us. Another one here, I'm just going to go through a few more just as I'm looking at, is AEZS. And what you'll see here is this stock went from basically a low of $3.19 all the way above $15. These are ginormous moves in these little micro caps. A couple of others that you could look at is VLTC. This is one that my partner Gareth had. Stock went basically from $3.50 all the way up to $8.50 in a day. These stocks are just doubling and tripling and quadrupling. Some of them are going up tenfold. It's just a little ridiculous. Another one is GIGA. You can see, huge move. Stock was trading at $1, went above $3.50, came back down to $2.58. So again, you're seeing some of these equities just make enormous gains in such a short period of time. But today was really off the charts when I look at a stock like ATV. So what's the point that I'm trying to drive home here? Anytime you see micro caps like this take off and surge, really on the back of nothing, that is the market's way of telling us that we're getting very close to a climactic top. And I don't like to use the word collapse, but anytime we see this, that is foretelling of some type of stock market crash or some type of major top that could be put in place very soon. And I think that's something that I want to put out there right now and share with a lot of the followers of In the Money Stocks and a lot of the members, is that anytime you see these micro caps like this make a top, it's usually telling us that there are big problems. And the last time that I've seen something like this occur, it really was in 1999 to 2000. It was in 2006 and 2007. And again, I'm seeing it right now. So I think it's time to put the white flag up and tell traders, hey, while it's still good to trade, but when you see these microcap stocks move like this, it is very indicative of a major stock market top. Now, what I'm going to show you right here is I'm just going to go back and pull up, say, an S&P chart of 2000, and we're just going to go back and look at a monthly, and you can see right here in the year 2000, let's rewind the clock here, you got this huge top put in, and then look at the big fall that ensued. Again, in 2007, huge top put in, and obviously look at the big fall that ensued. Now we're even higher, and we're starting to see these micros take off again, and that is really troubling. So again, I'm working right now on a 2016 forecast. This is going to be a members only exclusive webinar. If you were a member last December, you remember will recall the 2015 forecast that I did, which was spot on this year. Pretty much one of the best forecasts that I've ever done. And again, I'm hopefully going to be able to repeat that in 2016. But I am seeing major headwinds for the major stock indexes in 2016, especially as we approach this year when I see all these micro caps taking off the way they are right now. So again, be very cautious going into the new year. And again, if you want that 2016 forecast, again, I will be presenting that in December at some point upon completion. So I just want to give out the warning right now. I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. But again, when those micro caps run, it is spelling problems in the future. With that being said, everybody have a great evening, great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.